Students, let's discuss exercise 12.1 first sum. The radii of two circles are 19 cm and 9 cm respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. Here we need to find out the radius of new circle. Here given two circles. One circle the radius is 19 centimeter, the another circle radius is 9 centimeter. Okay, so sum of these two circumference of new circle. So we know the radius of these two circles. By using these two radius, first we need to find out the circumference, because here given that sum of these two circumference is equal to sum of circumference of these two circles is equal to circumference of that new circle. Okay, the third circle. So the first circle circumference is 38 pi. Substitute in the formula 2 pi r1 equal to 2 pi r1. The radius 1 is 19. The second radius is 9. So 2 pi into 9 is 18 pi. So we found the circumference of first circle and second circle. So what is the circumference of third circle is 2 pi r. Because we don't know the radius, we need to find out the radius. So take let r be the radius of the third circle. So the circumference of the third circle is 2 pi r. So already we know that the circumference of the circle is sum of circumference of first circle and second circle. If we added these two, will be get 2 pi r equal to 56 pi. Then here actually we need to find out the radius of the circle. So how to find out the radius of the circle? 2 pi r transpose to right hand side. So pi will be cancelled, 256 will be cancelled, then remaining 28. So therefore the radius of the third circle is 28 centimeter. Students, let's discuss exercise 12.1 second sum. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having are equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. Here we need to find out the radius of new circle. The area of new circle is sum of the area of given two circles. Okay, so here first we need to find out the area of these two circles, then only we can find out the radius of the third circle. Okay, so we know that the radius of the first circle is 8 centimeter and the radius of the second circle is 6 centimeter. Let area of the third circle is r. So area of first circle. So already know the formula. What is the formula of pi r square? So pi r1 square, r is 8 square. So 64 pi. Similarly, the area of second circle is 36 pi. In the given condition, the area of the third circle is sum of the area of given two circle. So already we found their areas. Just substitute here. So pi r1 square plus pi r2 square equal to pi r square. So pi r1 square we know that 64 pi and pi r2 square is 36 pi. So 64 pi plus 36 pi is 100 pi. So pi will be cancelled. Then the remaining r square is 100. Then r is plus or minus 10. So the radius will be positive. So therefore the radius of the new circle is 10 centimeter. Students, will discuss exercise 12.1 third sum. Given figure depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring areas from the center outwards as gold. red, blue, black, and white. The diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 centimeter, and each of the other band is 10.5 centimeter wide. So find the area of each of the five scoring regions. Use pi equal to 22 by 7. Here given the radius of gold region is 21 centimeter, and the next width of each region is 10.5 centimeter. So we need to find out the area of regions. First we need to find out the region of gold. Next we need to find out the area of red, blue, black, and white. So first we need to find out the area of gold, and the next we need to find out the total area red and gold. Then we need to subtract gold from red. Then only we can find out the red region. Similarly, first we need to find out the total area from the center to this blue region. Then we need to subtract this area, this total area, golden red. Then only we can find out that blue region. Similarly, we need to do that black and white. So already in the given question, the radius of gold is, we know that 10.5 centimeter, because in this questions they given the diameter of the gold region is 21 centimeter. So what is the radius of the gold region is 10.5 centimeter. At the same time the width of each region is 10.5 centimeter. Okay, so the radius of gold region is 10.5 centimeter, and the next second region, okay, so that is red color, so add 10.5, 21 centimeter, and the third region again add 10.5, so 31.5 centimeter, then again add 10.5, so 42 centimeter, again add for white region 10.5, so you will be get 52.5 centimeter. Students, I hope you all understood this one. So first we need to find out the area of gold region. So area of gold region, already we know the radius. Okay, so radius is 10.5 centimeter. So we know the formula pi r1 square equal to pi. R1 value is 10.5 the whole square. Then the pi value we know that 22 by 7. If you simplify, you will be get the answer is 346.5 centimeter square. Next, we need to find out area of red region. How to find out the area of red region? So area of red region equal to area of second circle. So what you know that from the center to the second region is the radius is 21 centimeter. Okay, so from the figure we took the radius is 21. At the same time we know that area of first circle. So what is the area of first circle? That is pi r1 square. So the area of second circle from the center is pi r2 square. So pi 21 square minus pi of 10.5 the whole square. Or if you know the answer, directly can substitute here. Then if you simplify, you'll be get 441 pi minus 110.5 0.25 equal to 330.7 pi 5. So already we know that pi value 22 by 7. If you substitute the value of pi, you will be get 1039.5 centimeter square. So that is the area of red region. Only that red region. So next we need to find out the area of blue region similarly. So first we need to find out the area of third circle. So area of third circle from the center to the third region, the radius is 31.5 centimeter. So area of second circle here itself we found. If you know, you can substitute directly here, or else you can substitute in the formula. So pi r3 square minus pi r1 square. So r3 we know that 31.5 whole square. Then if we simplify, we'll be get 992.25 pi minus 441 pi. So equal to 551.25 pi. So the final answer is 1732.5 centimeter square. Next, area of black region. So area of fourth circle. So we know that from the center the radius is 42. So subtract area of third circle from the area of fourth circle. So area of fourth circle, here we found similarly 1764 pi, and the area of the third circle is 992.25 pi. So the answer is 2425.5 centimeter square. Similarly, we can find area of white region. So area of white region is area of fifth circle minus area of fourth circle. So we know the radius from the center to the fifth circle is 52.5. So substitute in this given formula. Then we'll be get the answer 3118.5 centimeter square. So therefore the area of gold, red, blue and black white regions are 346.5 centimeter square, 1039.5, 1732.5, 2425.5 and 3118.5 centimeter square. Students, let's discuss exercise 12.1 fourth sum. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at the speed of 66 km per hour? Actually, from this question, we need to find out how many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes. We need to find out the number of revolution of wheel. Here given the traveling speed of the car is 66 km, but the diameter of the wheel is 80 centimeter. So first we need to find out the circumference of the circle. Okay, circumference of the wheel. Then only we can find out the number of revolution. So circumference of the wheel. So circumference of the circle, we know the formula is 2 pi r. Here given diameter is 80 centimeter, so the radius is 40 centimeter. So the circumference of the wheel is 80 pi centimeter. And the next we need to find out that how many revolution, that number of times the wheel is rotated in 10 minutes. That is only here we need to find out. Then how to find out the number of rotations? So first we need to find out the total distance of the car in 10 minutes. So the total distance of the car in 10 minutes divided by circumference of the wheel for one revolution. Okay, if we found these two, easily we can find out the number of revolution. Okay, so the car traveled in 10 minutes. Okay, the distance traveled by the car in 10 minutes divided by revolution of wheel in 1 minute. Okay, so how to find out the distance of the car? Okay, distance traveled by the car in 10 minutes. So already you know that the distance equal to speed into time. So first we need to find out the speed of the car. Speed of the car already given. Speed of the car is 66 kilometer per hour. But here the diameter of the wheel of the car is 80 centimeter. So this kilometer we need to convert into centimeter. How to convert into centimeter this kilometer? We need to multiply by 1 lakh. Okay, because 1 lakh centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So speed of the car is 66 into 1 lakh and divided by 60. Okay, because the diameter of the wheel is given 80 centimeter. At the same time we need to find out the number of revolution in minutes, but here given the distances per hour, so the hour also we need to convert into minutes. So how to convert into minutes? So we know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Okay, so 66 into the kilometer need to convert into centimeter. So here multiplying by 1 lakh. At the same time here we're dividing by 60 because 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Okay, so if we divide it by 60 we can convert into minute. Okay, because 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So if we simplify these two will be get 1 lakh 10,000 centimeter per minute. Okay, so the speed of the car is 1 lakh 10,000 centimeter per minute. Next, we need to find out the distance only. So how to find out the distance? So distance is equal to speed into time. Speed already we found. The time we know that how many minutes? 10 minutes. So multiply these two, speed and time. So 1 lakh 10,000 into 10 is equal to 11 lakh centimeter. So the distance traveled by the car in 10 minutes is equal to 11 lakh centimeter. Okay, so we know the distance. At the same time distance traveled in one revolution, that is also we know that 80 by centimeter. If we divide these two we can find out the number of revolution. Okay, so one revolution 80 by centimeter, then the second revolution it may be 160 by centimeter, like that it is going on. So if we divide these two, 11 lakh divided by 80 by, easily we can find out the number of revolutions. So n is denoted as number of revolution in distance traveled in one revolution equal to distance traveled in 10 minutes. Okay, so n into 80 by equal to 11 lakhs. So n is equal to 11 lakh divided by this one transposed to right hand side, so 80. So we know the pi value is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 if you transpose to right hand side it will be 7 by 22. Then you will be simplify, you will be get 4375. So therefore each wheel of the car will make 4375 revolution, 4375 rotations. Okay, so 4375 rotations. Okay, so each wheel of the car will make 4375 revolutions. Students, will discuss the exercise 12.1 fifth sum. Take the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and area of a circle are numerically equal, so perimeter and area of the circle are numerically equal. Okay, so then the radius of the circle is actually the area of the circle we denoting that square units. Okay, at the same time the perimeter we denoting only units. For that purpose only in this question they given perimeter and area of a circle are numerically equal, the numbers equal. Okay, then the radius of the circle is dash. Here given some some choice. Okay, so we need to find out the correct options. So first we need to find out the circumference of the circle. So circumference of the circle we know that 2 pi r and the area of the circle is pi r square. Already we know the condition, the circumference of the circle and area of the circle are equal numerically. So 2 pi r equal to pi r square. So here see this pi will be cancelled. Okay, and the remaining 1 r, and here r square means r into r, 1 r will be cancelled, so remaining r equal to 2, so the radius is 2, so therefore the radius of the circle is 2 units. So option A is correct.